So following our procedure, we know that we have to get one side equal to 0, and it's going to take a little more work this time. I have to subtract this x. I'm going to put that by the like term over here, and I have to subtract this 5, put that with his like term over here. What's left on this side? Nothing. So say it equals 0. Then we have an x squared. These guys combine to make positive 2x. These guys combine to make negative 15. So now I have an equation where one side is 0. I'm going to try to factor this. So if you need those visual cues, we're going to put these parentheses down, equals 0. Whatever goes here and here should make x squared. Whatever goes here and here should make a negative 15. So the x squared is easy to get. It's x and x. As far as 15 goes, I know a couple of different things. One thing I know is that because this is a negative, I know the signs are opposing signs, which means one will be positive, one will be negative. I don't know where yet, and I'll figure out which one's which. And as far as 15 goes, I have the choices of either 1 and 15 or 3 and 5. And so I'm going to start with the 3 and the 5 and put these together to get 3x, multiply these together to get 5x, and ask myself, if these have opposing signs, can they make a positive 2? And of course they can. And this is what has to be negative, the 3. So this is negative and the 5 is positive. So we're looking at the equation x minus 3 times x plus 5 equals 0. Then, thanks to zero product property, you can set this equal to 0. That means x is 3. Set this equal to 0. That means x is negative 5. And those would be my solutions. And then just for kicks and giggles, you should also take the time to, let's just plug in one of these and see what happens. So, oh, I can't actually get it on screen. Here we go. Alright, so let me just take the 3 and plug it in to show you what happens. With the 3, I'm going to take 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 10. 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 10. Okay, that equals 8. Great. Take that same 3, plug it into this side. 3 plus 5. That also equals 8. So if I plug in 3, I get two things that are equal. Does the same thing happen with negative 5? Let's see. Negative 5 squared plus 3 times negative 5 minus 10. Okay, this time it's not 8. I don't know what that is. I can't read it. But if I take that negative 5, I think it's a 0. Take negative 5, plug it into the other side. And it's not the same as it was before. It's not an 8, but these are equal. So again, plugging negative 5 makes the sides equal. So fairly confident, 100% sure these are right. Please enjoy the math. And how do I stop this?